Some networks are broken up into subnets, and you'll have different subnets separated by routers. If these particular networks that are broken up only have one DHCP server, we have to figure out a way of getting the client's broadcast across that router, because routers by default don't allow broadcasts. If we look at this scenario, computers on the network with the DHCP server come up, and they have direct access because their broadcasts don't have to cross the router. However, the other subnet computers have to broadcast, and that broadcast needs to cross the router. Now, some routers can be enabled to take that broadcast and transfer from one subnet to the next. In order for this to be the case, the routers have to meet certain standards. Specifically, they have to meet RFC 1542 standards, and you need to set those routers to transfer bootp broadcasts. Well, the other option is to put a DHCP relay agent on each subnet and have that DHCP relay agent listen for the DHCP broadcasts, take those broadcasts, and forward them to the DHCP server. What I'd like to do at this time is show you how to install a DHCP relay agent. We begin by going to Network Neighborhood and right-clicking on it. I'm going to select Properties, Services. I'm coming down here to Add. And the item up here says DHCP Relay Agent. I'm going to click OK. It wants me to put my NTCD in. I'll click Continue. It's copying the files, and it's installed. Let's go ahead and close this and configure our DHCP relay agent. Since our relay agent does nothing more than take broadcasts and forward them to the actual DHCP server, we need to put the IP address for the DHCP server in. I'm going to click Yes. I'm going to come up here to my DHCP Relay tab, which was not here before I added the service. Now that I added the service, it's here. I need to add the address, so I click Add, put my address in. Click Add. Now, in order for everything to be complete and for my relay agent to be enabled, I need to click OK, and then it will prompt me to restart the computer. When I do so, what will happen is if a computer comes up looking for the DHCP server and it's on a different subnet than the actual DHCP server, this machine here will pick that broadcast up. It will forward it to this address, and then it will return the IP information to the computer that originally made the request. Okay, I'm going to restart my computer, and when it comes back up, my agent's going to be going.